Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to automatically move emails to folders in Gmail. So let's go to Gmail first. Go to Gmail account. After go to Gmail account, you must open a new folder. Let's say you want your Google messages should be in a folder like name Google. So all of your Google messages will be go to one specific folder. Like I'm opening folder here like this. Okay, now you can create. Now you find here that Google. So if you want that all of your Google messages come to Google or forward to Google, so let's just pick this Google email, official mail, in where most messages or emails come from. Then go back, go to settings, see all settings. Oh, sorry, not settings. You find here this show search options. Click on this and create a folder. You have to write here or paste here the email address. Don't need this, just the email address. And you can click on create folder, create filter. Then you can make it this, like I'm applying the label here, choosing label Google. So all of the messages from Google come to this specific folder. Just click on this create. You're done. So yeah guys, this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.